Here at Mother Seton, we offer different class levels: College Prep, Honors 2, and Honors 1. We also have a class of selected students called Seton Scholars. Our curriculum includes classes in mathematics, sciences, English, history, language, and of course, religion. MSR also offers a special program called STAR, which stands for Students Through Academic Readiness. As a sophomore, junior, and senior, you can start to take electives. Some include law, engineering, and even a second math course.
We don't only offer the standard classes. We also offer cycle courses, which are different areas of study, such as music, art, engineering, culinary arts and sewing, and personal development.
Here at Mother Seton, we have physical education and health classes twice a week. In your sophomore year, you will also take driver's education, and by your junior year, you will be CPR certified. We have sports that go on throughout the school year. The fall sports include soccer, tennis, volleyball, and cross country. The winter sports include basketball, swimming, cheerleading, bowling, and the MSR dance team. And spring sports are softball, track, and golf.
Clubs are offered every Thursday morning during the school day. There are a wide range of clubs, so you're sure to find one you like. If you can't, you can also create your own club. Some clubs we have are recycling, film club, acrylic painting, student spirit club, puzzle mania, finding God through movies, and so many more.
Some of the activities that take place here at MSR include Spirit Week, Deck the Halls, Student Council Week, and events throughout the year that make your experience here unforgettable. Every Monday morning, we have 2 activity mods, in which there are meetings for student council, class office, grade levels, and sometimes we have mass, assemblies, or even parties during the Halloween or Christmas season.
Our annual trips include English classes to see various plays at Drew University or MacArthur Theater. The history classes go to different historical places, such as Philadelphia, Ellis Island, and medieval times. AP Physics, AP Biology, and AP Chemistry also have their specific trips. At the end of every year, the freshmen, sophomores, and juniors enjoy an amazing day at Six Flags Great Adventure. Our seniors enjoy their time at the happiest place on earth, Walt Disney World.
Our juniors and seniors also go on their annual retreat down to Maristella.
Mother Seton Regional High School is a Catholic school that challenges, empowers, and inspires young women to achieve excellence in academics, personal growth, and service to others in a nurturing, richly diverse community.
I'm very excited that you're considering Mother Seton Regional High School as one of your daughter's choices. I would love to hear from you. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me by visiting the website.